Welcome to the Grandmother's Fan block. This one is the bottom right on my quilt behind me. You can make it as modern or as vintage looking as you like. I mean, that one I've actually added some lace, but this one, particularly in these lovely oak shot colours, is going to be a little bit more modern looking. But it works either way. This one, there's also a little heart that features, so you can decide to put that in here at the moment using the applique technique that I showed previously. So you just cut it out on the line, iron it in position and then sew around it, so that's an option. Appliquing it to a background square, I'm going to hand applique it.